Hello everyone, hope you are right. In today's video, I'm going to make strawberry ice lollies. I have managed to pick some strawberries from my garden before the kids pick them. I need half cup of chopped strawberries. So I'm going to chop these strawberries first. But you don't have to chop them, you can use them as a whole in the blender. So I'm going to chop them to see if they are half cup. To my estimate, this should be half cup of strawberries. These strawberries are very nice and juicy and fully ripe, so it will impart more taste in the ice lollies. If you are interested in learning how to grow your own strawberry plants at home, I will include the links in the description box so you can check out how to grow strawberries from seeds and from runners. Strawberries are very easy plants to grow and they reward you abundantly. So here I have chopped my strawberries and now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar in it. You can adjust the sugar as per your taste. Now I'm going to add half cup of double cream. This double cream has like 35% fat content in it, and that's what you want to add in your ice cream. Now I'm going to add everything in my blender and I'm going to blend it until it's soft pea consistency. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. I added half cup milk first, then blended and then added half cup more. This is full fat whole milk. It has 2% fat. You can replace it with condensed milk and that will give you more thick consistency. But for ice lollies, this consistency would be fine. Now I'm going to add my ice cream mix into my ice lolly molds. Now I'm going to put the lids on and I'm going to place them in the freezer for 5 to 6 hours so they will be ready to eat. Here are my ice lollies ready now and my kids have been waiting very impatiently for them. So let's give them a try.
Mommy having an ice lolly again.
How is the ice cream?
Good.
Is it good?
It's so good. It's made of strawberries fresh from our garden, but it doesn't look very icy.
So that's a great feedback from my kids. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.